approaching the main entrance now. Again, just remain seated, holding on to small children, loose articles as we make a quick turn up here. Once we make this quick turn and we come to a full and complete stop, you're going to exit on the driver's right-hand side only. That's the side you all got on today. If you have any strollers or wheelchairs, we ask you please wait to open and set those up. Pass those yellow lines down on the ground, away from the tram for us, please. As you're exiting, please double check your rows behind you. Make sure you guys grab all your belongings. When you're standing up, please watch your head. This is Evan Dwarfs did build these trams themselves. We do have those lower ceilings in here. We are almost there, not yet. Just keep on waiting. I'll let you know when it's safe for you to stand and exit only on the right-hand side. You will see the silver handrails on that right-hand side towards security. Not yet. Just keep on waiting. We're still moving. Keep on waiting.
I promise that you go to the same place. You're on the right-hand side of the palm tree. Keep going down to the right. Left-hand side of the palm tree. Keep going down to the left.
We're in with the Eagles crowd.
No, I said if everyone else fails, I'm going.
That's it.
Going down to the right. We have 3 lanes over here. We have 2 lanes.
We're here with a bunch of winners.
Yes, you got that right. As quickly as possible. You're gonna walk through those big.
Go Eagles.
Here we go.
Yeah, well.
Hey everybody, the Mouse and More here. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back.
Alright, I have a lightning lane for Flight of Passage. So I'm heading on Flight of Passage right now.